In this lesson, you will learn how to delete cells in Google Sheets. Our Google Sheet, which contains a list of Fortune 1000 companies, has some issues that need to be cleaned up. We will need to delete values in unwanted rows and columns. Row 5 has improper values in column A and column D. To delete these values, select the cell or cell range you want to delete. Next, press the Delete key to delete the values. You can also delete cells by using the menu. First, I will click Undo to restore the deleted values. Next, click Edit on the menu. Finally, select Delete Values. Yet another option to delete cells is by right-clicking the cell or selected cell range. I will undo once again to restore the deleted values. Next, right-click the selected cells to display the contextual commands. Finally, select Delete Cells and Shift Up. The values in cells are deleted and the cells below are shifted up. Next, we have a blank row and 2 columns that need to be deleted. To delete a row, select the row header of the row you want to delete. Next, click Edit on the menu. Finally, select Delete Row 5. Now that the row is deleted, we just need to delete the 2 empty columns. To do this, click the column B header to select column B. Next, hold the Shift key down, then press the right arrow key once to select column C also. Now click Edit on the menu. Finally, hover the mouse on the arrow to the right of Delete, then select Delete columns B and C. The columns are deleted and the spreadsheet is looking much better. In this lesson, you learned how to delete values, cells, rows, and columns.